What is up, Chase That Coin family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin. And today we're gonna do a live, live chart reading. So we're gonna see if we can get some possible profitable trades right here in Bitcoin. Okay. So let me pull the chat out. Not specifically in Bitcoin because I don't trade Bitcoin USD. But we're going to see if we can spot some profitable trades within the cryptocurrency market and see if we can take advantage of those and bring Christmas in the right way. All right, so I encourage you all to share this out. Hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be aware when we do these live streams. I'm going to take my own advice and share this out. All right, so this is just going to be, we're going to just talk, talk to each other, open discussion, see if we can possibly find some profitable trades. Live. Which is the best way to do it. What's up? Merry Christmas, Ken. Merry Christmas, bro. What's up? What's up? Tyler, what's up? Am I bullish Bitcoin? Yes, I am very, very bullish Bitcoin. Merry Christmas, Tyler. Merry Christmas. Yeah, so we're just going to have an open discussion. We're going to, just talk to each other and see if we could find some good trades. So what are you guys doing? Have you guys sold a lot of your positions? Or what? Mike Swirl, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up? So what are you guys doing? Are you guys holding your trades? Are you guys involved in any trades? So am I bullish Bitcoin is what you asked. Am I bullish Bitcoin? Yes, I'm personally bullish Bitcoin, especially in the area that it's in right now. I am very, very bullish Bitcoin here. All right. Could it fall some more? Yes, we could fall to the nearest support, which is at 11,902. So we could go down to that level of support, but I'm bullish Bitcoin here. What's up, guys? What's up? Yeah, round two, man. Back in the building. NXT. Let's do NXT. No, not NXT. No. On the 1 hour, you could pull something out, but I wouldn't try. I wouldn't try. I don't like this here. NXT is not the one. I'm sorry, man. I do like NXT though. Yeah, man. Bitcoin is resilient, bro. Bitcoin is very resilient. One that I'm very excited about for 2018 is Stellar Lumens. I'm very excited about Stellar. I like Stellar. I don't have a position in Stellar. So you can't say that I'm shilling. because I don't have a position in Stellar. But simply because I am bullish Ripple, um, well, not that's one of the reasons, but I think I'm a little bit more so bullish Stellar because it's a platform. You know, it's transitioning, it's adding in the platform capabilities, and that's one of the things that I love platform type coins. So we're gonna see on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, it established some support here for sure. The 4 hour looks good as well. The daily, the daily could be a little bit more bullish, but it's not complete. It's not bearish. It's more so neutral right here. Even if it fell down a little bit, I would still, I would still call this a neutral play. But I am very bullish on the 4 hour. I like the 4 hour. I would enter the 4 hour. CVC. I like Civic. I like Civic, and I thought people would it would be much more bullish than what it's been. Okay. Um, I would I would want some pullback. Mm. Wait, let me look at the 4 hour again. Yeah, I would want some pullback before I got in. But, you know, that depends on how you're trading. Because if I'm using a volume style of trading, then I'm gonna open up my stop loss a lot more. So, I'm gonna get in at any point. Not any point, but I'm gonna open up the points that I would get in at. It's a lot. It's risky. It's a risky style. It is definitely a risky style. John McAfee, yeah, everybody, yeah. He posted an article from Forbes about Digibyte pumping, and he just spoke about Digibyte, so yeah, red coin is moving. I don't have any red coin. I don't know if they have DNT. I don't know if they have a product yet. If I'm not mistaken, that's the social media coin. I like DNT on the 4. It's a little up there. Uh I like I like DNT here. I like DNT, but I just don't like it here though. I don't like it here. It looks like it's running out of gas a little bit. And this line is very, very vertical. Um, I don't like it here though. My voice is crazy today. Okay, so Mike's World says that they do actually have a product. Let's chart Bitcoin Gold just for the hell of it. I try not to chart things on Bitfinex because I don't know. Certain things you have to, but I don't know. I like Bitcoin Gold here. It, that's just the trader in me though. Overall, I mean, I don't think it's anything special, but Bitcoin Gold is looking bullish here. It looks pretty bullish. So I like it here. I would try to wait for maybe a cleaner entry, but I do like it here. Neo is life. You funny. You crazy, bro. All right, I'm gonna check out Neo right now. I haven't looked at Neo in a while. The last time I traded Neo, I made 70% real quick, and then it fell, and then I didn't chart it again for a little bit. That wasn't that long ago. I mean, then we went into like this wicked, super downward spiral. Not just Neo, everything. All right, Neo is struggling. And I hope you guys see like this should be if you're a trader, your goal should be to be able to put lines on the chart that the market reacts to. All right. And like I said, I haven't charted this in a while, but this is a level that I noticed and I put it on here and the market reacts to it. Yes, it did break here, but it pivoted, right? It pivoted and then it came down. All right, so be on the lookout for chasethatcointrading.com. All right, so you could get the training course and trade calls for 350 US dollars for a year. Gas. Gas is a funny one. Now, gas is a funny one because we don't know how much gas is going to be the rate of gas. We don't know the rate at which gas is going to be created. So since we don't know that rate, you know, it's hard to say. Everybody hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, guys. There isn't much info on the daily. I I like gas here. I like gas here a lot. Gas is actually beautiful. Look, early Christmas. Bingo. Early Christmas, guys. Early Christmas. I'm going to share this in the Telegram group because I forgot to do that. I need to stop playing and just download. Why can't I share it? Oh, okay. I'm bugging. Lisk. Let's see if Lisk is gonna be nice to us soon. What the hell? So a lot of people are saying that they're disappointed with Obsidian. If you're disappointed with Obsidian, that means you either bought too much, so you have too much of an exposure to it, or you're expecting it to, give you 30x in a few days. So, I mean, I personally think they are kind of having a rough time for whatever the reason is. Whatever the reason, they are having a rough time. But I do like the project. Lisk. If you guys aren't aware, I love to trade multiple dojis. So when I get multiple dojis, that's one of my favorite things to trade. I like Lisk. I like Lisk here, guys. So Lisk, Bitcoin Gold. Um, Thank you, Tyler. Shout out to Tyler. Tyler puts in work for the CTC community. Shout out to Tyler for that. OMG. So we got Lisk so far, Bitcoin Gold. Those are looking bullish. If you guys have any kind of questions or whatever, shoot them out there, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. So what coin was I gonna look at? Oh yeah. No, wait. Oh yeah, OMG. OMG was another one that at the time it was at a ridiculous price, and I was just like, a lot of the things that they're trying to do is going to be already priced in. So, it's rough. And OMG kind of did the same thing. A lot of the things that they're going to do in the future was already priced in. So it went up really high. Look at that reflection off of that level. This isn't a coincidence, guys. Look at that bounce. Right off that level. Bullseye. Bang. Bounce. This isn't a coincidence. This comes from consistency, confidence, and patience. And and applying that to the charts, constantly looking at the charts, constantly drawing up charts. Now, I don't sit in front of the computer all day because my trading style doesn't really require it. But I do draw a lot of charts. Uh, a good entry for this would be right here. So if we could get down to 100,000 or so, around there, a little higher than 100,000, 101,000, that would be a better entry. But we may not get that. I do like it on the 4. On the daily, I would be looking for a better entry, but the 4, I can work with the 4. But I don't like this though. I don't like that. I don't like that. 1 rejection, 2 rejections, multiple rejections, a very recent rejection. This is kind of like what Stratus was doing. This is kind of like what Stratus was doing. So let's look at that. I remember I used to trade Startcoin back in the day. So, okay, here it goes. So Stratus was doing that at this level right here. All right. It was a array that it formed like a resistance and it struggled to break. But then Stratus picked up the momentum and we're all the way up here now. We're all, so that same thing could happen for Amisa Go. But Amisa Go, I don't know. It's funny. Because on the daily with Stratus at that point, on the daily, it wasn't so extended. Amisa Go already had an up move. Yeah, I think Amisa Go is going to be big as well. It's going to be really big when they launch their own blockchain and they're no longer ERC20 token. Niblio, I am also bullish Niblio. I would like to see a little bit more. Oh, I can't chart that. Not on this. Wait, let's see. But the thing I don't like, well, I mean, whatever. Dang, I haven't been here in a while. They're giving me they're giving me the tutorial. So Niblio, right? Now I don't like to trade thin coins. Um and the reason I don't like to trade thin coins is because you can't enter a really thin coin with a lot with a nice size position. So you can't enter these thin coins with like 5 Bitcoin, 7 Bitcoin, 8 Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin, because you're gonna move the price on yourself. And even if you slow it down and gradually buy in, when you get to a point where you want to take profits, it takes more time to safely get it out without dumping the price on yourself. So I don't really trade thin coins like that. But Niblio looks pretty bullish on the 4. On the daily, eh, on the daily, I would prefer to see a little bit more of this candle get you know taken back, but it's not bad. It's not terrible. And I do like this volume. So if I was going to use a volume style, I would get in here, knowing that yes, it could pull back on me some, yeah, but the volume is picking up and it may continue very strongly towards the upside. Let's look at, while we're here, so now we could do all of the low coins. Since we could do all the low coins, I'm gonna do Obsidian. So the daily for Obsidian looks good. I like it. I like the daily. The 4 hour also looks good. I would like to see this gap get closed. There's a gap here. So when the market gaps, that means whatever price it closed at, the previous candle closed at, the next candle opens up at a different price, either higher or lower, doesn't matter. But that's called a gap. I would like to see the gap get closed. uh, but I don't like to trade thin coins though. Once again, guys. Yes, please like and subscribe, everyone. Like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Um, hmm. Can't even hope for a flag because it already broke that all. It messed that up here. Hold on. Let's look at the daily. I do like the daily. I like the daily. I would prefer wait, I like the daily, but then again I don't. Wait, let's see. I would prefer for it to come, I would prefer for it to eat some of this big candle up. All right. I would prefer for it to dip down and possibly make my entry somewhere, 50% of the body of this candle. So maybe here a little bit lower. Ideally here. But I don't think we're gonna get that. The volume is picking up and it's maintaining. So I don't think that we're gonna get that. So you may have to open up your style a little bit here. You may have to open up your style. If you want to trade this, get in and you may take a nice pullback before pushing up. Kind of risky. Let's look at the 4 though. One more. Yeah, the 4 is ugly. The 1 hour is beautiful though. The 1 hour looks really good. Yeah, so the 1 hour and the 1 hour looks the best. So for a short term play, I like this. I would get in for a short term play. Pay as a whole as a cryptocurrency. I don't really believe in debit card cryptocurrency simply because that can be replaced really easily. Join the Telegram group, guys. Join the Telegram. Doge. Yeah, but the whole the whole debit card cryptocurrency thing, I'm not into it. I think that can be replaced very easily. I'm not really into it. Doge, yo, it's funny because Doge has the most doji candles I've ever seen. Oh man. So far we found possible profitable trades. We found Lisk, Bitcoin Gold. Now, that doesn't mean that's not my advice. It's not financial advice for you to get into any of these trades, nor am I yeah, it's just not financial advice to get into any of them. Nor do I agree with, the projects. Just because I think it's a good idea to get in doesn't mean I agree with what the project is trying to do. Yeah, Doge is way way up there. We can't do anything with Doge. Steam. Steam, I don't know. Steam is surprising. I thought it was going to perform a lot better than what it has. I mean, as of lately, everything's been on the move. But I thought it was going to be, somebody's accumulating. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than what it is. Especially with, them talking about the whole smart tokens and different things like that. Wings. Share out the stream, guys. Hit like, subscribe, share the stream, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Send it to a friend in a text message. Whatever you got to do. I don't like wings here. I don't like the idea of wings because DAOs are kind of securities. So I mean, I do think that DAOs are going to be a thing, but I don't think just any old person is going to have access to a DAO. So maybe it's ahead of its time. Right? That's my opinion of what they're doing. But the chart is too high. It's too no, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Sorry. Not right now. Not right now. I'm not a big fan of Bitcoin Gold either, but it looks bullish. So, yeah, shout out to Tyler, man. GRS. No, I don't like this, man. I don't like this, man. I'm sorry. Not yet. Not yet. I mean, if we want to if we want to get creative, all right, we could, hope for some kind of a flag, going on. If we want to get creative. So, I don't know. But then you gotta wait till it breaks the flag to, so but I don't like it. I don't like it. Not right now. A lot of these coins have already you know, moved up a lot. So we want to find the ones that can catch some, catch some hang time. You want gains, bro? I don't know what the ticker for Tron is. Where am I going? And sometimes I tell myself like, hey, I can't chart um Binance coins, and then I remember like, so why are you paying for Coinigy? No, I don't like Tron here. Wait. Nope, I changed my mind. I like Tron. I changed my mind. I don't like the daily. I mean, and when I say I don't like it, it means like it could go down. The possibility of it going down before it goes up is, you know, it's there. Um, but it does look like it's formed a level of support right here. Now, if you understand how to trade any structure, trading any structure just means anywhere that it builds up or anywhere that it shows some kind of form of support, you're going to look to enter. That's a very risky style. I do it. I do that. I have that in my arsenal, but that's risky. But sometimes, you know, sometimes it's worth it. But I would be looking to use that on Tron simply because it has a lot more. It could possibly have a lot more upside. And I do like the lower time frames charts. The daily, not so much, but I would use the trading any structure. What's up, guys? What's up? Doge to 25 cents. What's up, Trevon? What's up, Trevon? Yo, matter of fact, Trey, let's set up this this long overdue video of ours. I am bullish. I am bullish Doge though. It's I always said like it's one of those coins where people laugh at it, but you know, it's one of those coins that people are gonna laugh at. That's gonna outlast a lot of these other coins. Metal, metal. So you can do your style of trading. I could do my style of trading on the charts, and then we can see and we can see if we line up in opinion, or if not, we could see who's a little bit more accurate or who was more accurate on that call. Because I see that you're back to your trading. I rem- I remember you quit trading because you were kind of pissed off. The daily for metal, I like it. And then I do I also remember your 50 altcoin challenge. The the 4 hour. The 4 hour I like as well. So I do like metal here. I do like metal here. And using what I just said, another style of the same style of any structure, you know, we could take a chance and get in there. Nah, risky, but there's action there. I do like metal there. Yeah, yeah. So let's set it up. Let's set it up, Trevon. Trevon says he doesn't trade. He just buys and he's holding everything. Yeah, I see that you're in Neo now. For those of you who don't know, me and Trevon started making cryptocurrency videos around the same time. And we're some of the veterans of content making, so to speak. You dig? ICX. Icon. New. Fresh. Flavor of the month. Now, I'm not going to say flavor of the month because they have something interesting there. I don't like this. I don't. Oh, no. Yeah, good luck with that. I'm staying far away from that. You see this right here? I got to plug my mouse in. You see this right here? You see these steps? You see this step motion? This is about to take a nosedive. Now, granted, it could go up more from here. It could go up much more from here, but I think it's going to take a nosedive. Andrew said he's been watching both of us for a while. Shout out to Andrew. You got 100 coins? Yo. Ali Khan says he's been watching since day one. Yeah, you've been here. Shout out to you. Ark. So you went from a 50 Bitcoin challenge. Now you got 100. I mean, excuse me, 50 altcoins. Now you got 100 different altcoins. I try to stay away from ERC20 tokens. Not that came out wrong. That came out wrong. I try to stay away from most like application coins, simply because picking a winner at that is a little bit more difficult. You know, it's easier to pick a winning platform, you know, than it is to pick a winning app, because there's so many different type of app coins and so many different types of apps. So you got to pick the right one that, you know, that people are going to want to use, and then people have to use it. So, and then in my opinion, a lot of these cryptocurrencies aren't going to be able to do what it is that they want to do on Ethereum. As far as, you know, Ethereum can't do a lot of things right now. So until it scales up and is able to do a lot of things, I do like some of them, though. The ideas of them, at least. I do not like the daily for ARK. This should scare you right here. This doji, this is a scary doji. This doji right here is scary. Now, granted, it can push, but I don't like this doji. And I don't trade off of single candles either. Yeah. Yeah, you're a gambler, Trey. You're a gambler. I remember when you used to do the slot machines, the slot machine playing with Bitcoin live. That was funny. What is EGC? Any feelings on EGC? Is that what? I don't know what this is, bro. I'm sorry. I don't know what that is. And it's down there. It's 400. I mean, granted, I am in a coin that is pretty low. I do, you know, the ranking isn't, but let's see if I could chart it. Yeah, it definitely did pay off for you, bro. It definitely did. So I've never heard of Evergreen. This is my first time hearing of it. It's not a new coin because it goes back, but I don't know. So what's wrong with it? It's not a new coin, right? What's why is it down so low? Yeah, why is it down there so low? What's wrong with it? Are you broke? Are you broken, bro? Hey, different trading styles, different trading styles, different. Can you get that financial advice now? Yeah, it does randomly spike here and there. None of this is financial advice, by the way. Don't even don't even come over here with don't do that. Don't do that. But I personally don't like to trade thin coins because you can't put 5 Bitcoin, you can't put 10 Bitcoin into that without moving the market. The market is gonna move a lot. You're gonna rise the price on yourself, you raise the price, and you're gonna drop the price. Let's look at pivots. So in order to stay away from that and be able to trade the amount of Bitcoin that I want to trade in each position, I just stick to higher, higher cap coins. Not just the top 20, but just higher cap. Certain amount of 24-hour volume. Oh yeah, Piv. Yeah, I'll do Neo. Hey, I just gotta say it's not financial advice. However you take it is how you take it. I just gotta say that, just so. And when we come back for our next live stream, I'll have on. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna use this from now on. We're not even gonna use TradingView. So I could do whatever coin your little heart desires. Whatever coin it is that you want, we could do it. I always forget that I pay for this though. I like Piv on the 1 hour, not so much on the daily. I think we did Neo. Let's look at it again. Uh so there's something here. It's not the best, but it's sometimes you have to go into a style where you force trades. Not all the time. All right. You don't want to get used to that. But sometimes you have to force the issue. Um, and the ways that I do that is by trading different styles of wedges, um, you know, trading any structure. You got to mix it up like that. So there is something here. There is something here. Would it be something that I would be dying to get into? Mm, I do like the 4 hour though. There is something there. And look how even though we switched charts, right? Even though we switched the 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 support line that I have here and the wedge and the and this that I have going on, it lines up perfectly. Right? It lines up perfectly, even on a higher time frame. Both the wedge and the ray, they both line up. Coinigy, I think Coinigy is I think I pay 250 a year for it because other than that, it's $20 a month, and that's more than Netflix. You know what I'm saying? That's more than Netflix. So, you know, I know you got a lot of Neo. I just sold 1,000 Neo, bro. I just sold 1,000 Neo, and even if I say to buy it, I don't have the amount of subscribers to pump it, so it's not gonna like pump or anything. But like I said, I do like the fact that it both lined up with I like that I drew it on a lower time frame and the higher time frames respect it. Because usually stuff that you draw on a lower time frame, when you move up to a higher time frame, the market doesn't respect or react to it on a higher time frame. But it's respecting and reacting to both of these on the higher time frame. Now, what could possibly happen is we could possibly see a push down before we get a push up. Um, Yeah. And if it clears here, we're definitely going higher. Right? If it clears here, we're definitely going higher. But I don't have the amount of subscribers to pump ODN. So how can I pump it? You know, Neo. I can't pump Neo for you, bro. How many chicks am I pumping and dumping in the US? Yeah, you crazy. Yeah, I mean the 1,000 Neo that I bought, that was a position, all right? So that was a trade. Um, the amount of Bitcoin that I wanted to trade just so happened to buy 1,000 Neo at the time. So I bought the 1,000 Neo, made like 70, 80%, sold it. It went down a little bit. I haven't looked at it since. Well, I've glanced at it, but it just, I have a Satoshi value that I'm looking for it to pull to. Quantum. I think we did quantum. Or maybe I'm just thinking that because this is my second live stream. So I don't know. Who knows? I think quantum pumped hard because not only because, but one of the reasons is because Charles Hoskinson, you know, said he was interested in, you know, interested in them as a somewhat of a competitor to Ethereum. Then it just pumped hard. I like, I like, um, I like quantum here on the 4 hour. I do. Would I get in here? No, I would be looking to get in here. I would be looking to get in between the blue lines. I wouldn't be looking to get in up here because, all right, from using any structure, the structure is built up here. All right, so the support is built here. Is it a strong support? No, it's that's the whole point of using any structure. It's a looser, more aggressive style. So I would be looking for it to pull down here. All right, just because I think that it's going to test the any structure that it built back here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it tested it. So I would put some buy orders in down here if you were bullish on it. Ideally, ideally, the best entry would be here. Well, not the best entry, but an even better one. And you see how I did that? I looked back in the past to get a feel of the previous highs, and then that's one of the ways that you can test where the market is going to pull to, or when it pushes up where it may struggle at. You just got to know what you're looking for, man. Yo. Everybody hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Let me share this out. Take my own advice. Electronium. Let's just do electronium. John did talk about them the other day too. How long have I been doing this? An hour. Not bad. Huh. If this would have happened up here, I would have liked this. All right. So, if we want to force this thing, which I don't recommend. All right? I do not recommend you force trades, especially as a newer trader, So I'm not going to make that. I'm going to make this one a squeeze using a ray. All right, so instead of using a wedge, instead of using two trend lines, no, I just want to make this thicker. Instead of using two trend lines, what I did, all right, I used a horizontal line and one upward trending line, all right, giving me a squeeze here. Now, if we break the top of this squeeze, all right, I would get in and look, to push higher. With that being said, the idea of, maybe I got to look at it again. But the first time I heard of it, those games that you play on your phone and you like grow weed or whatever on your phone, like for digital coins or whatever. That's what it reminded me of. Yeah, I didn't get into Verge. I didn't get into it. It was something that interested me, but there's so many projects and there's it's hard to keep up with them all, and sometimes you forget them. So what I've been doing is, I even when I write them down, that helps, but I've been writing a lot of them down. So that was what was that? The 4 hour. Let's quickly look at the daily. Even though this is a newer coin, there's not going to be much here. Yeah, so it's not fair. All right, so we still got a chance to get the flag on the daily, though. We still have a chance to get the flag on the daily and push up nice and high. Whoever's, I don't know, somebody's trading electronium. This thing is healthy. It's cryptocurrency is a crazy space because things that you be like, okay, this should be, this should be up there. It's not. They don't get up there. And then other things when you're like, what is this? They're doing great. So that's why you can't be biased. So that's why I always say, as far as what the coin is doing or blah blah blah, I might not agree with it, but the chart looks bullish. If it's bullish, it's bullish. Uh, the first coin we called out tonight was Bitcoin Gold, and everybody heard me talk a lot of shit about Bitcoin Gold multiple times. Let's look at Zcash because quote unquote, there's a lot of quote unquote smart money in Zcash. So smart money is just, like big money investors. Wait a minute, what? What? Where did that gap come from? What happened to that? So right here, multiple days, there's no charting. Oh, okay. I remember this, but why is it? I don't know. And it ate that gap. It didn't completely finish eating the gap. Now, one thing you want to know about gaps on a chart, when a chart gaps, sometimes it uses that as support, as like a level of resistance, or it could use it as a level of support. So the chances of this coming down and not closing this gap is still there. Dang, this is an ugly chart, man. Yeah, I don't like it. Pineapples. Oh, dollar vigilante is picking coins too. He said he only watches the charts when he's high. Oh man, you just stuck sitting there watching the chart. Oh, I was close. Okay, so this has to be this has to be that, okay, yeah. This is the site. Coinigy is obviously losing data here. Yeah, that's what that is. No. Zcoin, this is a dangerous trade. Simply because it's already ran up so much and it's struggling to break the high. So I don't like that. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. I don't want to be here all day. Yeah, I don't understand, right? I don't understand how people that aren't traders can sell you a cryptocurrency trading course. That doesn't make any sense. How are you selling cryptocurrency trading courses and you aren't a trader? You didn't do anything to do with trading before this, but you find out about cryptocurrency and you become a trader all of a sudden. And that's cool because, of course, you could pick up trading for your first time. But how do you feel comfortable enough to sell these things to people? And a lot of people, whether they're content makers or, how are you going to sell somebody a trading course and then come on there and tell them that you're not a trader? That's crazy to me. But whatever. Doesn't matter. That's none of my business. Until next time, guys, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and keep chasing that coin. Peace.